The megabit is a multiple of the unit bit for digital information or computer storage. The prefix mega is defined in the International System of Units as a multiplier of 106, and therefore, 1 megabit equals 106 bits equals 1 million bits equals 1000 kilobits. The megabit has the unit symbol MB or MBit. The megabit is closely related to the megabit, a unit multiple derived from the binary prefix MB of the same order of magnitude, which is equal to 220 bits equals 1,048,576 bits, or approximately 5% larger than the megabit. Despite the definitions of these new prefixes for binary-based quantities of storage by international standards organizations, memory semiconductor chips are still marketed using the metric prefix names to designate binary multiples. Using the common byte size of 8 bits, and using the NIST definition of megabit and kilobyte, 1 megabit is equal to 125 kilobytes or approximately 122 kilobytes. The megabit is widely used when referring to data transfer rates of computer networks or telecommunications systems. Network transfer rates and download speeds often use the megabit as the amount transferred per time unit, for example, a 100 Mbit/s fast Ethernet connection, or a 10 Mbit/s Internet access service, whereas the sizes of data units transferred over these networks are often measured in megabytes. To achieve a transfer rate of 1 megabyte per second, one needs a network connection with a transfer rate of 8 megabits per second. Usage conventions: in telecommunications, use of the correct SI definition of the unit is standard. Standard industry practice in RAM and ROM manufacture has been to use the MB abbreviation in reference to the binary interpretation of the megabit. For example, a single discrete DDR3 chip specified at 512 MB invariably contains 229 bits equals 536,870,912 bits equals 512 Mbit of storage, or 671,088,648 bit bytes, variously referred to as either 64 megabytes or 64 megabytes. During the 16-bit game console era, the megabit was a commonly used measure of the size of game cartridges. This size represented only a megabit. The vast majority of SNES and Mega Drive games were produced on 8 megabit cartridges, although other sizes such as 4, 12, 16, 24, 32, and 48 megabit cartridges appeared. This usage continued on the Nintendo 64, with cartridge sizes ranging between 32 and 512 megabits. References